High converting websites don't rely on boring static text for promos. They use interactive friction-free UI elements that drive actions. Today, we are mastering the ElementsKit coupon code widget for Elementor, designed to build ultra-sleek click to copy promo sections that match your brand identity perfectly. Before we drag this element onto the canvas, let's establish our baseline. To access this specific interactive feature, you will need both Elementor Core and the ElementsKit Pro version active on your site. Once Pro is active, head straight to your WordPress sidebar, click to the ElementsKit and jump to widgets, then look for the ElementsKit coupon code widget. So here I'm looking for the coupon code widget. See, here it is. Then make sure to toggle it on, then click Save Changes, and here you go. Now your toolkit is ready. Then go to your Elementor page. Then here ElementsKit gives you a massive library of ready-made templates. So for that to achieve, you have to go to the ElementsKit icon, then click on it. Then go to the sections. Then here you will get a search section. You have to search for coupon code. Here you have multiple options, so you just have to choose the one as per your website and your UI. So here I'm clicking this one. This one looks pretty good to me. You can choose anything you like, then click insert. Finally, this has already arrived in your screen. See, here you get this complete ready-made template. Now you can edit it. Here you got 3 options: content, style and advanced for the settings, and I'm working on this one, get 20% discount now. Now if you want to change the title, there is an option in the title which is heading title. You can change the writings and the contents from here. So here which is written 20%, I can edit it to maybe 80%. See, it has changed. And the discount now, this text also can be edited, so you can edit them from here. Then we have the link option here. You can paste your URL or you can type it as well. And after that we have the HTML tag, which is set to H3, but you have options for H1, H2, H4, 5 and 6. So now let's give it to H4. Then we have the option which are show border and float left. Which first one is show border. If I click this one, see, here is a border which has arrived after clicking yes to that. Then the border position which is set to start, you can edit it to end. See, the border has arrived to end option. Then we have the option which is float left. For after clicking this, all the contents we can see has already arrived to left, but we do not need this. The first UI was better, the design was better, so let's just click no. You can change the widths and the numbers from here, but I don't need this. Then we have the option which is subtitle. So if you want to show some subtitle, just you have to click yes to that, and the subtitle is set to time has changed. If you want to change the contents, you can change it from here, and the subtitle position is after the title, but if you want to keep this before title, you can, but we don't need this one anyway. And the subtitle HTML tag is set to H3. So the title description is also can be edited, but I don't need any title description. But if you want, you just have to click yes to this. Then we have the shadow text and the separator. There is no separator right now, but if you click yes, a separator will arrive here, but let's skip this separator. Then we have the click here button, which is community 20 to get the coupon. So the coupon style is set to slide. This is basically the main thing here, and if you click right curve, it will change. See, when I click, it just moved to the right. Anyway, the curve is set to right. But I like the slide one better. So if you click, then it will slide and you will get your code there. And finally, we have the coupon label, which is set to click here. Let me show you. See, click here. But if you want to add any other title or label for this coupon, you can edit it from these settings. And finally, our coupon is set to community 20. The coupon is community 20 for this 80% discount. If you want to change, you can change it from this portion. Then finally, we have the button icon, which is set to none. But if you want to upload any SVG from your file, you can edit or upload it from here. Then finally, we have the icon library. There are hundreds of icons you can change, but you just have to click insert for this. See, button has already arrived. I'm keeping the button here. If you don't want, you can just delete it. Well, then we have the style tab. In the style tab, we can see that there are text alignment, which is set to center, and let's keep them just here. And you can change the typography from primary, secondary, text, and accent. If you click secondary, see the typography has already changed, and then you can change the text color, which is set to pink. But if you need any like other colors, you can change from this setting. See, it has like moved to green. I have changed to this one. This one also looks good. Then we have the background type, which is set to gradient, and the colors are also like in this portion, but I don't want to change the color, so let's keep them like this. You can also change the border radius and the padding of this from the style tab. Finally, we have the advanced tab. In advanced tab, you can like change the margin, padding, width, and you can also edit the modules using ElementsKit module. And this is the advanced tab is basically for you to change the advanced settings and to make your website look more unique and aesthetic, so you can use the settings from here. Here in this option, we have like, see, another design. When I click that, it has like arrived like that, which is ElementsKit coupon. And you can also use this sort of designs, and like we have buttons as well, like shop now or get coupon, and it pops up like that. So there are multiple options you can find in ElementsKit ready-made library anyway. And if you want to make it from scratch, completely out of scratch, you just have to go to the widget library and search for coupon code. See, here is a widget with the eKit batch. You just have to drag and drop it to your ElementsKit Elementor editor. See, it has arrived, and when I clicked, it just went slide and went to the left, and we can see the coupon here. And the settings I have showed to you exactly same as before. So these are the settings. You can change the label and the coupon from here, and you can make it as per your requirements as you are making it completely from scratch. Finally, you have to check the responsiveness. Always you have to check this one. For this mobile portrait option, yeah, it looks pretty well. It looks perfect here. And then the tablet portrait, it also looks good. No glitch here, nothing bad looks, everything looks so perfect. And the final one is the desktop view, which I was working on for maybe last a few minutes. So that was it for this one. You have successfully built a high performance click to copy promo section that stripes away conversion friction. Drop a comment below dealing which layout variant you are implementing on your current project. Like this video if it saved you build time, and keep creating clean UI.